Now that we have our enrollment service set up in Apple Configurator, it is time to prepare the device and get it enrolled. Let's start by resetting your iPad and making sure you are sitting on the Hello screen. Open the Apple Configurator app on your MacBook and connect your iPad to your MacBook using a cable. You should see the device appear inside Apple Configurator. Click on the device to select it, which will enable the Prepare button. Go ahead and click Prepare. You will now see the Prepare Devices screen. Select Prepare with manual configuration. Do not check Add to Apple School Manager or Apple Business Manager. We are not adding this device to ABM in this flow. Now check Supervised Devices. We want supervision enabled since it gives you significantly more settings to manage on the device. Below that you will see the option Allow devices to pair with other computers. Select this based on your organization's needs, depending on whether you want to restrict or allow pairing with other computers. Click Next. Now select the device management service we set up in the previous video. Click Next. Since we selected supervised devices, we now need to select an organization. If you have not set up an organization yet, please check my previous video which covers how to create an organization both with and without an ABM account. Click Next. You will now see the Setup Assistance screens. These are the screens that will be shown to the user during the setup process, and this works similarly to skip keys and AD enrollment. So select or deselect the screens based on what you want your users to see. Click Prepare. Now just sit back and let Apple Configurator prepare the device. This may take a few minutes, so keep the device connected and the MacBook awake until the process completes. Once the device is prepared, go ahead and connect it to Wi-Fi and you will see the remote management screen appear. And that is it. You have now successfully provisioned the device and it is ready for enrollment. It shows your organization name on this screen under This iPad is owned by. If you click on Learn More about Remote Management, you will see your organization name and address. In the next video, I will show you how to assign the profile to the device and perform the actual enrollment. So make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss it.